Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open lower this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 1.4% fall. Yesterday, the market closed 1.37% lower at 7,065. In business news from this morning, Nib Holdings has completed the acquisition of National Disability Insurance Scheme plan manager BudgetNet through an asset sale agreement. The acquisition was completed on Thursday. BudgetNet is the sixth plan manager to join Nib Thrive's house of brands in less than a year, after Nib raised $158.1 million in equity last year to enter the NDIS sector. It follows the acquisition of Adelaide-based plan manager Developing Links back in August. Costa Group Holdings has entered into a scheme implementation agreement with a consortium led by Paine Schwartz Partners for the acquisition of all of the issued shares in Costa the consortium does not already own, by way of scheme of arrangement, representing a value of $3.20 cash per share. The PSP-led consortium is comprised of entities controlled by PSP, Driscoll's Inc. and British Columbia Investment Management Corporation. Entities affiliated with PSP and Driscoll's Inc. hold in aggregate around 19.62% of Costa shares currently on issue. The scheme consideration values Costa's equity at around $150 billion and an enterprise value of around $2.5 billion. Nickel Industries has completed the placement of 19.99% of the company's ordinary shares to United Tractors subsidiary PT Danusa Tambang Nusantara at an issue price of $1.10. Funds from the placement will represent a significant contribution towards the company's $1.225 million requirement to fund its intended 55% share of Excelsior Nickel Cobalt project, a next-generation high-pressure acid lease project with Indonesian Morowali Industrial Park, where construction is imminently set to commence and for which the company is scheduled to formalise a final investment decision for its participation. Let's take a break now. I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 1.08%. The S&P 500 slid 1.64% and the Nasdaq dropped 1.82%. European markets closed lower, with London's FTSE falling 0.69%. Frankfurt in Germany dropped 1.33% and Paris, France closed 1.59% lower. Looking to Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei fell 1.37% lower. Hong Kong's Hang Seng lost 1.29% and China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.77% lower. That's the latest from Kalkine's ASX at Breakfast this morning. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.